Good morning, 早安. Welcome to Morning Mandarin. Today, let's talk about love. To say I like something, 我喜欢, 喜欢, like. 欢 here is in a neutral tone. Both characters mean happy, delight. When you like something, you're twice as happy, right? After 我喜欢, add a person, an object, or an action to show that you like doing something. 我喜欢你，我喜欢你，我喜欢披萨，我喜欢披萨，我喜欢吃披萨，我喜欢吃披萨。吃 eat. Pizza is a transliterated noun, so it sounds a lot like pizza in English. 我喜欢披萨。To say I don't like, put a no before like. 不，我不喜欢，我不喜欢，我不喜欢周周，我不喜欢周周，我不喜欢披萨，我不喜欢披萨，我不喜欢吃披萨，我不喜欢吃披萨。If it's more than just 喜欢, you can say I, love. As a verb, we can use I in the same way as 喜欢。我爱妈妈，我爱妈妈，我爱披萨，我爱披萨，我爱吃披萨，我爱吃披萨。Or the negative form of I, 不爱。不 is originally in the fourth tone, 不. But when it goes before another fourth tone character, 不 becomes second tone, 不爱，不爱。我不爱你，我不爱你，我不爱披萨，我不爱披萨，我不爱吃披萨，我不爱吃披萨。I is also a noun. My love, 我的爱，我的爱。Lover, 爱人，爱人。My lover, 我的爱人，我的爱人。人 person. I love my lover. 我爱我的爱人，我爱我的爱人，我爱我的爱人。My lover loves me. 我的爱人爱我，我的爱人爱我，我的爱人爱我。My lover doesn't love me. 我的爱人不爱我，我的爱人不爱我，我的爱人不爱我。My lover likes eating pizza. 我的爱人喜欢吃披萨，我的爱人喜欢吃披萨，我的爱人喜欢吃披萨。Let's review. 我喜欢，我喜欢，我不喜欢，我不喜欢，我爱，我爱，我不爱，我不爱。Homework time. How do you say I love morning Mandarin? Okay, that's all for today. See you next morning.